Alright, this is a problem that we are going to do together. You will need a math notebook as well as a pencil. So if you need to go get that, go ahead and pause the video and get that so that you are ready to work. Alright, so let's read the question that we're going to be working on together today. Second and third graders are competing to earn the most Comet Cash. In total, third and fourth graders earned 503 Comet Cash. If third graders earned 319 Comet Cash, how many Comet Cash did the second graders earn? So, what I'm going to do is I want you to create a subtraction equation that would match this word problem. So go ahead and pause it and see if you can create a subtraction equation that would match this word problem. Alright, so hopefully the equation that you came up with is going to match what I came up with. Alright, so I know that our total is 503. So that's my largest number. So I'm going to do 503, and I want to find the difference of 503 and 319 because that's how many the third graders earned, was 319. So I'm doing 503 minus 319 equals blank. And that's going to be our difference. That's going to be how many the second graders earned. So hopefully your equation matches this. All right? So now what I want you to do in just a moment, you're going to pause it, and I want you to draw a number line and solve this on a number line. And then, once you finish, go ahead and push play and see if it matches mine. So for my number line, just like the problem that I just did a minute ago, I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to start at 503, and I'm going to take away 319. So I'm going to first take away my hundreds. That's easy. I'm going to take away 300. 503 minus 300. I'm just looking at this hundreds place. 500 minus 300 will be 200. And then I can't forget about my ones there. So 203. So now I've taken away my 300s. Now I need to take away 110. I don't have any 10s there. But think about it. If you're at 203 and you go backwards 10, you're going to end up at 193. And I can check that by saying 193 plus 10. That would get me back to that 203. Now I've taken away 110. Now I need to take away 9 ones. I have 3 ones right there, so I'm going to take away 3 ones first to get to 190. And I know I still only have, so if I took away 3 from 9, I still have 6. So I'm going to take away 5. And then I'm going to take away 1. So 190 minus 5 would give me 185. And then minus 1 more would give me 184. So the second graders earned 184 Comet Cash. I'm going to just double check that I took away 300s. I did that. I took away 110 right there, and then 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. I took away 9 ones. Hopefully your equation and your number line matched mine.